back to another discrete math tutorial. Let's go ahead and continue on with a few more examples to make sure that all the lessons we've studied before are, as a matter of fact, solidified in our brains. So let's look at this example. If it rains today, I will go to dinner tomorrow. What we want to do is first translate this into a mathematical expression, and then we want to find the inverse, converse, and the contrapositive. So if it rains today, we're going to set P equal to it rains today, and we're going to set Q equal to I will go to dinner tomorrow. So now, if we wanted to write this out mathematically, P implies Q. If P, then Q. So the inverse of this would be not P implies not Q. And what does that state? If it doesn't rain today, I will not go to dinner tomorrow. Now let's look at the converse. Converse of this, Q implies P. So the converse of this is, if I go to dinner tomorrow, then it rains today. And finally, let's look at the contrapositive, which is not Q implies not P. So basically what this says is, if I don't go to dinner tomorrow, then it does not rain today. Alright, moving on to another example. Make sure we have our truth tables in order. So what we want to do is construct a truth table for the following expressions. P and not P. Alright, well that's pretty simple. All we have is one variable P. So P can be either true or false. And not P, well, not P is just basically the opposite of P. So that's false, and the opposite of false is true. This one's a little bit hairier, but again, it's only two variables, it's P and Q. So P can be true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. So this one has a few segments. The way I look at it, there's a segment in here, a segment in here, and then another portion, implication that connects this segment to this segment. So first I'll look at P implies Q. So if P implies Q, true implies true is true, true implies false is false, false implies true is true, and false implies false is true. Next one is Q implies P. True implies true is true, false implies true is true, true implies false is false, false implies false is true. And then finally, we combine the truth values of this with this, merge it with that implication symbol, and we get P implies Q implies P. So P implies Q is true, Q implies P is true, true implies true is true, false implies true is true, true implies false is false, and true implies true is true. So we'll go ahead and end that here today, and look out for more of these examples to come. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more discrete math tutorials.